Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. So we're back to the question and answer, the weekly question and answer video. So what I'm gonna do, like videos before, like previous question and answer videos, I'm gonna go through the comments that you've posted and you guys posted in the past a week or so. I haven't posted a question and answer video for the past like 3 weeks. So we're just gonna go through a lot of questions. I'm gonna answer your questions, so all of that stuff. So guys, before I start, if you have any questions, okay, all you gotta do, when it comes to marketing, affiliate marketing, and all that stuff, all you gotta do is just leave a comment under each video. Every video they have a question about, I'm just gonna answer you. Or if the question is something that I have to, I have to explain more, I'm gonna make a video and answer your question. So. Again, just don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have a question about anything. All right, so let's get started. So before I start, I'm gonna talk about a couple of things. Okay, so first of all, as you see, I have I have the university Facebook group. So if you're not a member yet, make sure to become a member. We talk about a lot of cool stuff in here, and we share a lot of nice stuff in here. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description to the university Facebook group. So you should definitely get it. All right, so that's that. And then I'm going to talk about the gold masterclass workshop. So if you want to learn more, if you want to learn how we make money, how we make over $3,000 a day affiliate marketing, all you gotta do is just join this workshop. It's a free workshop. I'm gonna leave a link to that one in the description too, so you can check it out. It's a free workshop. It's gonna take you through everything step by step, and it's gonna teach you all the cool stuff that we do to sell products online, sell affiliate products online. So it's really nice. If you're brand new, this is gonna help you to really understand the business better and just move forward and start making money. So that's that. All right, so let's get started. So let's go over the questions. So I have the let me actually close my video. All right, so have the questions here. We're just gonna go through it. I'm just gonna cut through them, okay? Because obviously you don't want to watch me finding questions here. So the first one I'm gonna go over is this one: promote products in Facebook without website. Without a website, I think that's the question. So let me bring my video back up again. I shouldn't close the video. All right, so the thing is, promoting a product on Facebook, I mean, you have a couple of ways to promote products on Facebook if you don't want to do a website. And now let me explain something. Let me tell you this. If you want to promote something, anything you want to promote on Facebook, you need to have a page, okay? You need to have a, not, I'm not talking about a Facebook page. I'm talking about an actual web page, because it's not possible to link directly to an affiliate product and put your affiliate link directly in Facebook advertising campaigns. So because you get banned, so you don't want to do that. So you gotta send people to some pages. Let's say you're promoting a weight loss product, you want to send them to a weight loss opt-in page or something like that. Again, depends on the campaign and strategy. We talk about strategies inside Gold Masterclass, but again, you want to send them to a page, so it's not really possible to do it without a website. Now, I'm not sure what you mean by a website, because what you can do is, if you don't want to build a website, you can just use a landing page builder service like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or Thrive Architect. That's something we're actually starting to use. To just build things, like Thrive. Scratch the Thrive Architect, because that one you need a WordPress site, but Lead Pages and ClickFunnels are two places that you can just build pages and websites without a domain, and it's really simple. So you kind of need a website to promote products on Facebook. All right, so another question I want to answer, guys, is this one. A lot of people are trying to open a Clickbank account, but it says, unfortunately, we cannot offer you an account at this time. And this is usually because maybe sometimes when you're not in US, or in some countries that are restricted, you cannot create a Clickbank account. So what you can do is you can just use other affiliate networks. It doesn't have to be Clickbank. Like it can be JVZoo, Max Bounty, ClickShore, or something like that. So it doesn't have to be Clickbank. So just keep that in mind, okay? So yeah, so just that's an answer to that question. So next question I'm gonna answer is this one. Oscar is asking, when you're promoting digital products like from Clickbank or Mob, how do you set up your videos? Are you doing a course review or create content around the subject, around other subjects and relating to the product, and just funneling them to the product? So let me explain something. This is a good question. I'm not gonna go over Mob, but Clickbank, like what you can do is the first thing, which is like I think the most important thing when it comes to promoting Clickbank products, is just go through it naturally. So make sure it happens naturally. Okay, so you don't want to force it. I mean, so an example would be like product reviews. They're good, they work. Okay, if you do it right, that's really important, because it's you don't want to just send people to a product review. You want to educate them, okay, before sending them through a sales page. So what I do, for example, for Clickbank, one of my strategies, I have a lot of different strategies when it comes to Clickbank, because each product has its own strategy, like, so it's different. But one of the ways I do it, for example, when I make a YouTube video, and let's say I'm promoting weight loss product, and make a YouTube channel and make a bunch of videos and just send people from those videos to a pre-sale page. Okay, so the videos, what they do, they serve as education. So they just teach something to anyone who's interested in that niche. Let's say it's a weight loss niche. I teach some, I give them some weight loss tips. Obviously, these videos are not my videos. I just write the script and order them online. Um, so I just make those videos, build a YouTube channel around the product, and send them to a pre-sale page where they read more about the subject, and then there are going to be links to the affiliate link. There are going to be affiliate links to the product, or there's going to be a link to an opt-in page or something like that. So again, depends on the strategy, but that's one of the ways. So it's really hard to pinpoint it to say, hey, yeah, this is the best strategy to promote a product. But what I can tell you is you want to make sure the process is natural. Okay, it's really, really important. So yeah, so that's that. So let's find another question. So next one is Udemy traffic still works. So yes, it works. I have a video about solo ads, so you should check it out. I'm gonna actually put it up there, but on the card, so you can check it out. But yeah, they work, because obviously these are people building lists. So it's if the list is fresh, they work. Yeah. So, but the thing is, you gotta treat it right. You need to drive the traffic. You need to send that traffic through the right process to convert it to sales. It's really, really important, and I have a video about it. Other platforms for solo ads, soloadsx.com. I think that's another one. It's kind of more advanced, because it's like because Udemy is like an automated platform, right? You just go on like buy the solo ad, and you do everything through that website. But Solo Ads X is just like a place where you find people who sell solo ads. So you just have to like contact them, send them the money through PayPal, all these this and all that stuff. So it's much more different. So yeah, but yeah, you can definitely just do a Google search. You're gonna find a lot of places, a lot of platforms, selling solo ads. So so let's find another question. Okay. How can I make money from my email list? That's a really generic question. Just send them valuable content, and just build a relationship, and then start once in a while, like once a month, just offer them a product that you have used before. Okay, if you have a list, the whole thing is just different. Okay, so yeah, let's find what else we can find. Another question from Oscar: how would you calculate your email list LTV when promoting affiliate products, since you don't have access to their backend to set up conversion pixel? Yeah, so that's a good question. This is something that, let me actually bring up a video again. Okay, so this is something that I go through in almost all of my courses, and this is something I explain inside Gold Masterclass too. One of the ways to do this, that's the simplest way. There are more advanced ways that we'll go through, but one of the simplest ways is to just simply ask people to contact you back for other stuff. So for example, you can for instance, you can just offer them a bonus, okay, and say, hey, buy the product. If you buy it from this link, I'm going to give you the bonus. So they have to contact you for that bonus after they purchase it, and you can just add them to a list. Okay, that's one way. And other ways, like, there are some more advanced ways that we go through, but this is the simplest way to just set it up. It's super easy to set up, and yeah, so that's one way to go about that. Okay, so yeah, so that's that. Someone's asking, I don't have a website, been promoting Clickbank on Facebook. Should I copy the Clickbank hop link and paste it on the URL link in required? And no, you don't do that. Okay, so one thing you never do, I just mentioned that a couple of minutes ago. You should not put an affiliate link in Facebook, anywhere on Facebook. Okay, just don't do that. You're gonna get banned. So so yeah, let's find more questions. So the next question is how to earn money through Google AdSense. That's one of those questions that is kind of, really general. Okay, so let me explain a couple of ways that you can do that. So first one is if you have a YouTube channel, you can actually make money through it. I make some money through Google AdSense on YouTube. Actually, let me just check how much money I make. So that's one of the ways that you could do it. Let's see. So if you take a look, for example, I do like $500, something like that, on YouTube. Just this is the money I make from YouTube advertising. Okay, so another way, let me actually bring up my video again. Alright, another way you could do this is, this is something I've seen multiple times, and this is like really cool, and if I had more time, I would definitely implement this, and that is, I've seen like, so some people do. Let me actually explain it. It's kind of, I'm just trying to figure out how do I start explaining this. Some people do, what they do is they write articles that are like multi-step articles. For example, like 10 pictures that you should see before you go to work, or something like that, something really interesting, and a title that is just really intriguing to people, and people are just going to definitely click on it, or something about something about an actor or something like that. So this way you get people to click. Okay, it's really important, like super clickbait. So so basically it's like maybe 10-step, 5-step, and what people have to do in order to read this article or see all these pictures is that they go to one page, and then in order to see the next one, they have to click the next, which goes to another page. Okay, and they see the next one, or they continue reading about the next point or something like that, right? So it goes like 5 or 10 or something like that. And so basically it's one article, you have like 10 pages on that article. So that's your article, okay? And what you do is, on all these 10 pages, you just put a ton of AdSense ads on these pages, on these like 10 pages. So now basically you're just making money by displaying ads, right? So that's your revenue source. So what you do is you go to a content distribution network like Outbrain or something like that. I forgot the name, but that Outbrain, that's a good place to start. So what you do is you do advertising for that content. You get people to click. You can use Facebook too. It depends how much it costs per click. Depends on the subject. But let's say you pay 20 cents per click. Okay, that's how much you pay for a click to get people to your page. And then they go through 6 of your pages, and you make 40 cents, 45 cents by just displaying a ton of ads throughout these pages. So you spend 20 cents and then you make 45 cents. Okay, so that's 25 cents profit, and you can just multiply that, and you spend maybe $25, $20 a day, you make $45. So that's your profit, right? So that's one way. It's really interesting. I believe it requires a lot of work, but when you implement it, you get that right article, and then you drive the right traffic to it, you start making some good money from it, and it's all automatic because you don't do anything. It's just the traffic is coming from advertising and you're making your AdSense money. So that's one way. Another way to make money from AdSense. I'm sure there are like 1,000 different ways to make money on AdSense, but these are two things that just came to my mind. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment under this video or any other video, okay? And make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and join our Facebook group. Okay, I'm going to leave a link in the description. And also check out the Varsity Gold Masterclass workshop, okay? So this is a course, this is a 4-step training workshop where you can learn how to start your online business, so you should definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.